the girl?
I don't know. She was passed out in the John.
How long has she been sleeping?
Since 6.
That's 2 hours.
No, it's 3 hours. It's 9.
No, it's not. It's 8.
They put the clocks forward last week.
Well, I don't do that.
You don't?
No, it's stupid.
It's the rules.
Whose rules? Not my rules. Are they your rules? Did you vote for it? I didn't. What was she doing in the John?
I don't know. The whore tried to bite me when I picked her up.
I like that.
So you live an hour behind everybody else.
Only in the summer. You didn't see her come in?
No.
It's okay, miss. It's okay.
What are you looking at?
Right there in the corner of your mouth, on the right-hand side, you got a little bit of dry drool. Here, it's a clean handkerchief. It's a magician's handkerchief. Oh, the other side. That's it. You got it. That's good. Great. You know, I could watch you sleep all day. There's something to look at. But unfortunately, the rest of the customers in the bar, they were starting to complain about your snoring.
I was snoring?
Like a panda.
Panda? Oh. When I drink too much, I fall asleep.
That's funny because when I drink too much, I get drunk.
You wise ass. You got the time?
Time? You have to be somewhere, miss?
Look, you got the time or not?
Well, that depends.
On what?
On whether you want to be early or late.
You're funny.
That's good because I'm a clown.
Oh, if you're really a clown, where's your red nose?
Search me. Go ahead, search me. It's in one of these pockets.
Yeah, okay. I would, but I'm late.
But, miss, I didn't tell you what time it was.
You take care of yourself, Mr. Clown.
Hi.
Is this the Glacier party?
Who's asking?
I'm the clown. We spoke on the phone.
Oh, we didn't. You don't look like a clown. Can I see some credentials? I'm just fucking with you. Come in. You're late.
I'm sorry.
So I just got promoted. That's what the party's for. Oh, look at the watch they gave me.
That's something.
Yeah, a goddamn Omega America's Cup Seamaster, platinum body, sterling silver strap. It's a fucking classic.
That's really something.
Yeah, one of the Wright brothers wore this watch.
Didn't they fly planes?
What?
Why would they wear a Seamaster?
You know how much this watch is worth, clown?
No, I don't.
Hey. Come on. Sit down. Yeah. So, getting a clown was my buddy's idea. Sick, right?
Right.
Right. You do balloon animals?
No.
Oh, because I fucking love balloon animals.
That's good, but I don't do them.
Well, you do a funny dance or something?
Do I look like I do a funny dance?
Well, what do you do?
I do a little magic.
So you're a magician?
No, I'm a clown who does a little magic.
Okay. You want some blow?
No, thank you.
Well, you just let me know if you do. You sure you don't do balloon animals? Because I thought all fucking clowns did balloon animals.
No, I really don't.
Okay. Okay, old man. Just be funny, okay?
Okay, can I pee?
Okay, pee, clown.
Hey, round the
real.
She's gonna blow the fucking
That's it, baby. Wake that motherfucker up. Hey, man. Let her blow you.
Why don't you blow me?
What the fuck did you say to me, clown? You hit my face!
What? Did I smudge your mascara?
Look at yourself, old man. You're pathetic. Get the fuck out of my house.
Not until I get paid. How funny is this? Open that fucking mouth. Open it. Open it wide, you son of a bitch. Now suck it. I'll blow your goddamn head off.
This guy's a funny motherfucker after all, huh, buddy? Who knew? I'll pay the guy. Come with me, old man.
Come here, baby. Come on. Did you think that was funny?
Yeah, I did.
I just bit that asshole's foreskin off. Please drive, please. Drive, please.
Great.
Shit. I can't believe you're really a fucking clown.
I'm a great clown. I think I lost him.